Hi folks, this is ETprepper. Don't waste that grease. What are you talking about? Well, I just made some bacon and then I've got the pan with bacon grease. So what I'm going to do here is slowly pour the grease onto a dry piece of wood that will be a great fire starter for my wood burning stove. Now, I'll be using this tomorrow for my wood burning stove. You don't want to, the animals will get to it and all that. But look at that. Now it's going to be easy light. Speaking of animals, there's the cat. They're circling. But it lights easy, and then it has a good hot flame for a while, and then the wood in the rest of the wood in the fireplace is a lot easier to start. So folks, just a thought of what to do with your grease from cooking. Also, if you don't have a wood burning stove or a way to burn this, save it in a jar, like you have been doing probably, and give it to somebody that does. Why throw it in the garbage dump? Why not recycle it?